Hi guys, I want to take a few minutes and go over a couple of things in week 6 that I realize may not be as clear as they need to be. First of all, in the reading and practice folder, I do want you to notice there is an upcoming assignment that is not due until next week. It's related to Title I schools. There is an article that you have to access for this written assignment. When you click on the link, you will see the option in the corner to download the full text. Just in case that's confusing to anyone, this is just an overview of the article. You need to download the full text and read it in order to write your essay, where you are choosing one of the case study schools from this research study and reflecting on the guiding questions here. Again, this is an essay. It is not an assignment where you need to write the question out and just simply answer the question. That would be a short answer essay. What you need to do is write a well-written essay as if you were in an English class. So make sure you take the time to do that. 2 to 3 page summary reflecting your answers on the questions above. All right, if you have questions about that, please reach out. The next thing in the assignments folder this week, you'll notice there is, of course, a discussion board. There are your video cases and your quizzes for both Chapter 10 and 11. In Cengage, there was a written assignment linked for Chapter 10. You do not have to do that. I have now hidden it, so if you saw it and then realize it's gone, that's why I had people asking questions about that. I didn't realize it was still visible to you guys in Cengage, but in the future, if an assignment is not linked here in the assignments folder, it is not a requirement. It was just an oversight on my part, so I apologize for that. The next thing is your journal this week is analyzing a school in Johnston County and how they're doing at providing equal learning opportunities for their students. You are going to have to really use your critical thinking skills on this assignment, draw some conclusions, but I do want to step you through this because I've had a few people ask questions about it. So the first thing that you have to do is get data from an individual school here. So you click on this link, and this brings you to the DPI website, and the school report cards are available there. Scoot this over just a little bit. This is an overview of what the school report cards are all about, what they mean, how you can read them, so on and so forth. Now, what you need to do in order to access a school in Johnston County is you're going to click on the school report card, you're going to click on Johnston County, and then down below you will see several options, and so choose a school that is interesting to you that you want to learn about, maybe a school that you attended or that you know kids that attend or you have children there. We'll just look at Cooper Academy. Once you click on Cooper Academy, it gives you the breakdown of the school report card, and it tells you the overall grade for that school, the growth that they made in that school year. It gives you some history. If you keep looking down, this data is broken out into several different categories. This lets you know one of the things that you're asked to reflect on is the percentage of students in the school that would be considered economically disadvantaged, and it even gives you the comparison to the state as well. Here's the breakdown by reading and math, and here are some other charts to look at and analyze how this school is doing, and it compares the data from Cooper Academy, Johnston County Public Schools and all, and the state of North Carolina, and how those students are doing. And here is the information about participation. There's a lot to read and understand in this school report card, and that is part of the assignment, is to really delve into this data and think about what it means, and what the journal, let's go back. Sorry, there's not really a smooth way to do this. Okay, so back to the journal. What the journal asks you to do is, first of all, read Chapter 11 and reflect on social, class, race, and student achievement. And you're going to look at the data provided in the school report card for whichever of the schools you chose. This link takes you to an overview of information from Johnston County, and it also compares it to the state as a whole. But with a quick Google search, you can also find out information about the state. So first of all, you're going to say what community you selected, which is related to the school you selected. So if you did Cooper Academy, I believe that's in Clayton. But you're really looking more specifically at the demographics of the students there. You can also Google information about the town of Clayton if you so choose. I've tried to give you as much information here as I could to get you going, but you can look for other sources outside of that. You're going to talk about the percentage of students that were economically disadvantaged. We saw a chart in the school report card that showed us that. You're going to compare that to the statistics in Johnston County as a whole, and then you're going to look and really delve into that data, and you're going to have to draw some conclusions. Do you think that the students at the school have an equal learning opportunity? And just back up your answers. You need to be able to explain why you think that, how you use these different data sources to draw those conclusions. So this journal will certainly be a little more in depth than some of the others, and that's one reason that you don't have an additional assignment due this week. I hope this helps, and I am sorry that I'm posting this a little bit later than usual, but I didn't realize first of all, that the Chapter 10 assignment was linked in there in MindTap, and then I realized I clicked through these websites. I didn't realize they could be kind of confusing, so I wanted to provide that information for y'all, and I hope you have a great week. I am around. If you need anything, please just email me. I'm available and glad to set up a time to meet with you personally. Have a great day. Bye.